Nowadays, in urban areas, there is a craze of a flyovers. I request the economists that it is not necessary to we have to look whether this flyover are more beneficiary or a metro type transportation system is more important, which is sustainable. Because for a time being when the flyovers are there, we are beneficiary, we are coming out from the congestion, but even though in the developing states like Gujarat, it is not enough, and I'm sure that we'll have to evolve a combination of the multimode transportation, particularly rail transportation, and the flyover system. Then only we can address this problem, and we'll have to look into it. And Gujarat is trying its level best. At the same time, when we are talking about the global warming, if we go into the information available, the total carbon dioxide in the air, the 20% contribution is from the transportation only. And in this 20%, 84% carbon dioxide comes from the four-wheeler vehicles on the roads. 15% carbons come from the airplanes and aircrafts. Whereas railway system contributes only 1%. Only 1%. So if we want to fight against the global warming, we will have to encourage this mass transportation system, and that is railway. We are lucky that we have a very good infrastructure in railway, but Gujarat is a state, we have taken the initiative, and nowadays we have a private-public partnership system, and Gujarat is the first state in the country where we have our own private railway system available in Gujarat. And slowly we want to develop more and more areas for this public-private partnership and our private railway. Whereas in India, railway is mainly with the central government, whereas in Gujarat, there is some area where we have a private railway, and we have proposed to the central government with the public-private partnership, Gujarat is ready to have a bullet train from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. If we can have a bullet train from Ahmedabad to Mumbai, and within 3 hours if we can reach Mumbai, I'm sure that we will save the summer time, we will help to the people, those who are fighting against the global warming. I'm sure this type of things will have to take the initiative, and we have already requested to central government. Gujarat is ready to be a part of this process. The third area where Gujarat is looking for, and that is a waterway. We have a Narmada Canal. We are planning to have a Daman to Sabarmati. We can have a new canal with the waterway transportation system. Even waterway can save the energy. Waterway can alleviate the cheapest transportation system, and that can also help. And we are looking for that also. At the same time, Dahej Goga ferry service, it is in fast track mode. Since last 20 years we are hearing about the Dahej Goga ferry service, but I am sure that before the Gujarat is going for a golden jubilee year, we will achieve that dream, and we will have a Dahej Goga ferry service functioning operational in our Gujarat. And this area also we are trying our level best. Friends, till today we were importing this metro coaches. The first time in India, it is India-made coaches are available, and the day will come that India will export coaches with the help of Bombardier, and we will go into the global market in this also. Friends, when I am here, I am talking about the development. We can see the two aspects in our Indian political life. Those who are interested in vote bank politics, they are talking about bomb. And I'm interested in the politics of development, so I'm talking about the bombardier. Thank you.